network noise into clarity with Sapphire. Next-gen observability for mission-critical operations. Enterprise network operations are constrained by fragmented tools, redundant data, and slow, manual correlation. Sapphire eliminates the gap between raw telemetry and actionable insight, enabling faster decisions, reduced operational burden, and improved mission resilience, transforming noise to resolution. Sapphire brings data from all your systems into a single, service-centric view, giving teams full context without switching dashboards or tools. AI-driven insights connect symptoms to root cause, and prioritized alerts based on real service impact, not raw signals, allow teams to focus on what actually matters to the mission. Sapphire provides reliable mission outcomes with lower operational risk by detecting and diagnosing service degradation in minutes, not hours, across complex and austere environments. AI-guided workflows and service-level prioritization minimize alert fatigue and manual triage, while correlated, mission-ready insights accelerate decision-making and incident response without disrupting existing systems. Sapphire transforms fragmented data into clear, service-level intelligence. With AI-driven correlation and signal reduction, it delivers actionable insights while minimizing data, noise, and cost, so teams can move faster with confidence. Current observability, security, and network platforms are aggregated into a single view, and guided resolution workflows provide operators with recommended next steps informed by real-time data. From first alert to resolution, Sapphire accelerates the workflows that matter most. Analysts can monitor service health and correlate signals for faster triage. Engineers can diagnose and resolve issues quickly with AI-guided insights, and operation leaders can track performance, reduce cost drivers, and improve resilience. Sapphire shifts teams from reactive, burdened operations to proactive, mission-ready understanding. Unlike traditional observability platforms, Sapphire is unified, context-aware, and service-centric. Manual, time-intensive correlation is replaced with fast, AI-driven correlation and root cause analysis. Instead of costly ingestion-based pricing, Sapphire offers a more cost-effective pricing model based on network complexity. Sapphire enables organizations to move from reactive operations to proactive, data-driven decision-making, reducing time to detect, diagnose, and resolve while optimizing cost and performance across the environment. Sapphire is available on the Platform One marketplace. To learn more, request a demo, or connect with the Sapphire team, visit metrostar.com/Sapphire.